Looking for a lock that truly protects your motorcycle while making your life easier? TRIMAX Corporation stands out as the world's leading lock manufacturer, offering high-quality products that combine innovative design with practical features you'll appreciate every day. What sets TRIMAX apart? They provide more key-to-like and cross-keyable options than any competitor, all at no extra cost. That means fewer keys to carry and more convenience without compromising security. A simple change that makes a big difference in daily use. One of the smartest features is the cable reminder wrapped around the throttle grip. It's a small detail with a huge impact, helping you avoid riding off with the disc lock still engaged. Customers rave about how this feature has saved them from costly mistakes and accidents, especially if you're prone to forgetfulness. The product's packaging is compact and practical, measuring 13.716 by 4.826 by 10.16 centimeters, making it easy to store or carry without hassle. This thoughtful design reflects TRIMAX's commitment to user-friendly products that fit seamlessly into your routine. If you've ever struggled with juggling multiple keys or worried about forgetting your disc lock, TRIMAX offers a reliable solution that's both secure and convenient. Their locks are trusted worldwide and backed by positive reviews praising their durability and smart design. Worth a look if you want peace of mind on every ride. TRIMAX locks don't just secure your bike, they protect your peace of mind with features that actually help you remember and avoid mishaps. Ready to upgrade your motorcycle security? Explore TRIMAX's range and experience the benefits of key-to-like convenience paired with innovative safety reminders. If that's you, TRIMAX is worth considering for your next lock. Try TRIMAX when you're ready to combine top-tier security with thoughtful design. It's more than a lock, it's a smart partner on the road, helping you stay safe and stress-free every time you ride.